The objectives of Ripple for XRP are very different from those of Bitcoin. Both Bitcoin and Ripple give consumers a method to manage their assets, but Ripple was built for speed and has some of the lowest costs of any cryptocurrency asset. These characteristics make it incredibly appealing for banks, who are Ripple's primary target market, to move enormous sums of money fast and at a very cheap cost. Because of this, Ripple is predicted to eventually replace SWIFT, the existing industry standard for international bank wires, which has poor speeds and expensive fees. Banks have been testing Ripple's xRapid, which uses XRP to transfer money between two third parties at breakneck rates. How long will it take for the new standard of the financial world to be adopted? This question will be answered in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more intriguing videos like this, and be sure to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's dive into it. A payment network with a focus on international transfers is called Ripple. On this blockchain, XRP is the native coin. A privately held fintech business is Ripple Labs. Ripple adoption is therefore complicated. Like Bitcoin and Dogecoin, XRP is a cryptocurrency that retail and institutional investors can trade and invest in. The business does, however, also provide payment solutions to banks and fintech firms. For instance, the business has agreements in place with Bhutan's and Egypt's central banks. To increase the value of this cryptocurrency, XRP will be utilized to facilitate payments. A product for use by central banks is also being tested by the company. XRP was one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization at the start of the cryptocurrency boom. It differs from coins like Bitcoin and Litecoin in terms of use cases and transaction settlement periods. The SEC, Ripple, and 2 of the business's executives are involved in a legal dispute. The investigation began in December 2020. The dispute relates to a $1.3 billion digital asset offering that was conducted without registration. Additionally, the lawsuit aims to prove that XRP is a security token. It was notable at the time because the price of XRP dropped by as much as $0.5 after the case began. Since then, the price has increased, but it hasn't been able to reach the 2017 highs when it was among the top 3 cryptocurrencies in 2020. Several significant cryptocurrency exchanges delisted XRP from their platforms after the case was listed. For instance, XRP trading on Binance and Coinbase's US platforms has been suspended. Additionally, it affected XRP investment negatively. In the USA, where many investors sold their currencies before the litigation began, the case has unquestionably had an impact on the adoption of XRP. The litigation might be resolved in 2022, and a judgment might be handed down. Recently, there has been some hope that Ripple will win the case. According to CoinMarketCap, the price of XRP as of September 29 is $0.43 during a bear market for the S&P 500. Since the start of the year, it has followed other cryptocurrencies' downward trend. XRP is down 89% from its all-time high of $3.84 and has lost more than 54% of its value over the past year. In actuality, it is closer to the $0.10 initial price. Early in 2021, XRP experienced a price increase and reached $1.59 based on data from Coinbase. It fell to about $0.38 by May 2022 and continued to fall through the spring, falling with Bitcoin and Ethereum amid what some experts are referring to as a crypto winter. Although the outcome of the SEC action could be favorable for XRP, it would also be a triumph for all cryptocurrencies to be recognized as non-securities and exempt from the SEC's stringent regulation. Predictions for the XRP price for the remainder of 2022 may be impacted by the outcome of the SEC litigation and whether or not Ripple chooses to go public. By December, according to Changelly, XRP might hit $0.57, with an average projection of $0.54. Trading Education is more upbeat about the price of XRP before the end of the year, forecasting that if it recovers from its SEC problems, it may reach $1.29 by December. Based on whether Ripple defeats the SEC, a group of experts from Finder has predicted the price of XRP for this year. According to two analysts' predictions, the coin might reach a high of $2.50 or $5 if Ripple triumphs. The creator of CoinFlip, Daniel Polotsky, forecasts that XRP will conclude the year at $0.90. The analysts' Finder sites concur that XRP's value is speculative and founded more on hype than on actual usage. According to CoinMarketCap, XRP is currently the sixth largest cryptocurrency in the world, trailing only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD Coin, and BNB in terms of market cap. To provide its financial services powered by cryptocurrencies, Ripple has worked with numerous banking and financial organizations throughout the world over the past few years. This will open the door for better payment options. The most recent implementation of XRP-based payments is in Brazil. Even if Ripple is making a lot of effort to increase usage across the globe, the improvements are not reflected in the price movement of XRP. Travelex is currently the first bank in Latin America to implement the on-demand liquidity (ODL) protocol of RippleNet as a result of their collaboration. Furthermore, the CEO of Ripple recently mentioned that the company is concentrating on CBDCs as the future fiat currencies. While these events were happening, the price of XRP fell sharply, falling in a couple of days from $0.3683 to as low as $0.3196. On August 29, XRP was trading at $0.3225, slightly higher than the previous price, and had a market value of $15,975,396,540. According to Messari's data, the 3-month and 1-year returns for XRP were -24% and -72%, respectively. It doesn't seem promising. Even though Ripple's continuing legal battle may be one of the causes of this price change, on-chain measurements point to several additional factors. According to some experts, XRP's potential might bring it to the same level of industry acceptance and respect as Bitcoin, the gold standard of cryptocurrencies, and Ethereum, the most popular altcoin. But right now, a lot of other cryptocurrencies are more popular and had a larger market valuation than it. Ripple's ability to process transactions quickly, its affordable fees, and its expanding network of alliances all help it expand its market share and enhance its reputation. The 2018 Forbes cover story titled "Ripple Could Be the Next Bitcoin," but a lot has occurred since then, including the emergence of numerous additional cryptocurrencies as competitive substitutes for peer-to-peer payments and international transactions. One statement made by Roman Gelfi Gibbs of Pinnacle Brilliant Systems Incorporated to Forbes, though, hasn't changed since the article's publication. Of course, with crypto, anything can happen, so watch attentively. Experts were still arguing over whether or not XRP might succeed Bitcoin or Ethereum as recently as September 2022. This year, the Motley Fool Canada's experts noted that it's extremely improbable that XRP would gain enough popularity to overtake any of the top 2 cryptocurrencies. The author, however, praised Ripple's expansion potential as an investment. Additionally, there is a significantly reduced barrier to entry, which may appeal to many investors just putting their toes into the cryptocurrency waters. Even if XRP is never as valuable or well-known as Bitcoin, it may still be a smart investment with a promising future. Investor sentiments can shift during a bad stock market, and this is also true in the cryptocurrency market. Dollars can go further in every crypto investment than they could during the market's peak, since investors have less to lose. Because of this, investing a few $100s in a coin they like or a business they support is less hazardous. However, there is still a chance of losing money if the investment doesn't grow in value. Financial institutions and investors have come to trust XRP, which may make it a more dependable and steady investment than some other altcoins. Furthermore, unlike some other cryptocurrencies where tokens are continuously minted and mined, Ripple has a limited supply of currency. All XRP coins are distributed by Ripple according to a predetermined schedule. However, only half of the cap, a startling 100 billion, is really in use. Investors willing to shop the bear market sales, so to speak, may find Ripple attractive due to its growth potential, capabilities as a cross-platform payment method, and inexpensive entry point. According to a comparison between Ripple XRP and Bitcoin on Fool.ca, Ripple may be a slightly better investment than Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to watch more videos like this. While you're here, click one of the 2 other videos on your screen to watch. See you later.